The American Jewish food culture has been an ongoing collection of cooking traditions of Jewish people worldwide.
Jewish cuisine has evolved for many centuries. The culture around it has been shaped by Jewish dietary laws, also known as kashrut, Jewish festival, and Sabbath traditions.
Kashrut or kosher is a type of Jewish dietary law, and kosher can be translated as proper. Certain foods, such as pork and shellfish, are forbidden, and meals cannot be combined with dairy. An article from Week 3 called Justifications for Foodways and the Study of Commensality speaks about kosher laws and how someone is cruelly brutal in character if they are to cook an animal in milk. This is a ritualistic way to slaughter meat, and it is to be salted after to remove any blood.
Jewish festival is what is known as the Jewish holidays. Quite often, food traditions are associated with certain holidays. For example, during Passover, a Jewish household typically eats different foods during the week, some being matzah, charoset, and crane. Matzah is an unleavened bread. Charoset is fruit, nuts, spices, and sometimes wine, symbolizing the mortar that Israelites used for building while enslaved in Egypt. And crane is horseradish and beet relish.
Sabbath is a day set aside for rest and worship. Some foods eaten on the Sabbath are kosher wine, challah, gefilte fish, cholent, and kugel. Kugel is a baked pudding or casserole commonly made from egg, noodles, or potato. Kosher wine is grape wine produced according to kosher law.
Food tells a story, and for Jewish foods in particular, they tell stories of the Jewish past. Challah bread is woven with 6 strands, and usually 2 loaves are baked. Each strand on the loaves represents one of the 12 tribes of Israel. There was a showbread offering in the Holy Temple of Jerusalem, where 12 loaves were made in commemoration of the 12 tribes. Matzah represents when the Israelites left Egypt in such a hurry that they couldn't wait for their bread to rise. It is a symbol of redemption and freedom, and is a reminder to be humble.